Hello everyone, my name is Penny and I would like to show you today the final or the second assignment of this module, Learning to Teach Online. And I would like to show you a very practical case where I have focused all my attention while I have been thinking about this module and I have been learning. This is a module that I teach in the University of Nottingham, Ningbo, China. The name of the module is Peer-Supported Online Language Exchange. This is a module for students who are learning languages. This is not a module to learn languages, but it's an opportunity for students to learn how to peer support each other while they are learning languages. This is a 20 credit module. It lasts for 1 year, 2 semesters. And I have students from China, UK and Malaysia. This year I have only students from UK and China, and I have around 60 students that are enrolled in this module. The activity online that I want to present to you of this module called OLE, this is the short name of this module, and it's well known for this name, is the assessment. The assessment part of the module. And the reason why I have chose this activity to present to you, the OLE assessments, it is because when I think, or when we think how to assess an online module, completely online module, and how to assess how students have been peer supporting each other, probably the best tools that we have are reflection. And the assessment of this module is 2 items of assessment, which is a final reflective log entry that they have, where students need to find and write the final reflection, what they have learned and they have achieved in this video and in this module, and a reflective video also about the tools they have been using. So if you see in this part of the Moodle page, all this module is taught by the LMS of Moodle, which is the institutional learning management support that we have in the university. So in this part of the Moodle page, you will find the 2 pieces of assignment, the deadline, which is next Monday, and the instructions for the final reflective entry and the instructions for the video. And it's very important for the students to understand they have to submit both pieces of assessment. Now, these both pieces of assessments are not graded in terms of a mark, but it's just that we ask the students to submit the 2 pieces of assessment, because the intention is to read them, read the pieces of assessment, the reflections, and see how much progress they've made. But again, it's not graded, so we don't give a mark. We just, in the end, if the student was able to submit the 2 pieces of assessment, we say, well, the student was successfully engaged and passed this module. And you can see we provide here some tools for a student to learn and how to make their videos to submit them. And you can find here the link where the students can submit their final log entry, where they can submit their final video presentation, and where students can write their feedback about the module. And this is something entirely new that I have just added to the module based on the evaluation module that we have just revised in this module of Learning to Teach Online. So I have added new items for the students to be able to provide me some feedback, because frankly speaking, I was so scared of asking the students to provide feedback about this module, because when I started teaching this module, I was not entirely familiar with the online environment. I was not familiar with how online teaching works, so it was all based mostly on my practice. So these are the 2 assessments I have chosen for you, and I have explained why it's important to select these tools, because it's based on reflection, and these tools allow students to do that online. In my next video, I will explain you, or the series of videos, I will explain you why this is aligned with the objectives and how students can engage with this, and the plan for evaluating that I have for these activities. So thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.